Hello, dear children. How are you all? I'm your Shweta ma'am. I hope you all are doing great and helping your mama and papa in the best possible way you can, and taking care of your grandpa and grandma. And I'm sure you must have called up your loved ones who stay far away from you and asked them about their well-being. Yes, these are the small good deeds which we do, which make us a special person which we are today. Right? And today, do you know, the story which I'm going to narrate is about the power of good deeds. I know you love listening to stories like I do, because stories make learning a lot of fun. And wait, as I narrate a story to you, you have to hunt for the short O sound words in it. O as in book. O as in look. So when I say look for a book, look and book have short O sounds in them. When I say chop the wood, wood has short O sound in it. So are you ready? So let's begin the story. The name of the story is Good Cook and Three Little Monkeys. Once upon a time, there was a good cook. His name was Brook. He was making cookies. And after the cookies were ready, he filled the cookies in the jar and kept the jar on the table. The monkeys who were playing outside, they saw the good cook filling the jar with the cookies. The monkeys, they sneaked into the kitchen. And as the Brook was busy in cooking, he did not notice the monkeys. What did the monkeys do? They grabbed the jar and rushed out of the window. The cookie jar was gone. But as Brook turned around, he could not see the cookie jar on the table. He was puzzled. The cookie jar was missing from the table. He looked under the table, on the shelf. He opened the cupboards, shut them back, but the cookie jar was nowhere to be seen. He wondered and scratched his head and asked, "Where is my jar of cookies?" Now, just then, he heard chatter of monkeys. And as he looked out of the window, what did he see? He saw the monkeys eating the cookies which he baked just now. What did he do? At first he got very angry. He picked up the broom and he ran out of the room to chase the monkeys. And what did monkey do? They climbed up the tree. They ran left, they ran right, they climbed up, they climbed down. And what did he do? The Brook shook the tree to scare the monkeys away. But all in vain. He just went inside, and from the window he saw monkeys relishing the cookies. But he could not do anything now. All the cookies were gone. Now he had to make the cookies again. Now, as he was watching these monkeys from the window of the room, he saw there was only one last cookie left in the jar. And as three monkeys tried to reach the cookie, their hand got stuck in the jar. Do you know why? The mouth of the jar was too small, and all the three arms were inside to reach the cookie. Now they were in trouble. They pulled, they pushed, they screeched, they stretched, but no luck. Now Brook the cook first laughed at them, and then he took a look at them, and he pulled a stool, stood up on a stool, and brought the poor monkeys down. Then very carefully, one by one, he pulled their arms out of the jar. The three monkeys were finally free. One monkey stood on his head, the other one on the back of the cook, other one hugged him tight. They were so happy because cook helped them. He was a good cook. Now, what Brook decided that from now onwards, he will make fresh cookies for these monkeys every day so that they don't have to steal it again. And afterwards, he used to make cookies for them every day. They used to visit him. They became good friends. Now, what do you learn from the story? That the good deed of cook made him a special person, and he earned some good friends. Right? So that's why they say your act of kindness will always come back to you one day. Right? So be good, be a good human being, do good deeds, because good deeds have immense power in them. Now, don't forget, you have to hunt for the short O sound words in the story. Right? So be good. Take care. Bye.